Hi everyone, it's Lynette with Grammy Crochet, and you'll be seeing this video on Saturday. I'm still at the camper today. Uh, I'm filming this on Friday, and if you watched yesterday's video, you'll see where we were. I did a video on the camper repair that we're still doing. Hopefully Saturday, when you're watching this video, the camper repair is done. But it's not done as of the filming of this video, so because I'm filming it on Friday night. And the whole purpose of this is because we went to Hartville Hardware. Our camper is right outside of Hartville, Ohio. And Hartville Hardware is a very unique store. As far as hardware stores go, like you think of a hardware store, you think of Home Depot, you think of Lowe's, you think of maybe Ace, where you walk in and you see tools and maybe wood and electrical supplies and roofing. You walk into Hartville Hardware, and the first thing you see is, well, there's two entry doors. The first entry door, the one that we came in, the first thing you see is clothing. Children's clothing, adult clothing. Carhartt, Skechers. They have a seasonal section that has outdoor furniture, grills, that kind of thing. They have toys. They have home decor. But like knickknacks. They have cast iron cookware. They have spices. It's more on maybe a Menards, because Menards sells even food sometimes and stuff like that. But the store is really large, so they sell. And I didn't film this because we didn't go that way around, and I didn't think of doing that until like right before I started to this part of this video. But they sell John Deere equipment there. You can buy the big tractors and the things with that you stand in, so you can like get to the light poles that are like street lights and stuff like that. Tractors, trailers. They sell that kind of equipment as well. And that's outside. I don't think they have any of that inside. But the inside the store is really, really awesome. We did go through the hardware department where I needed to buy some new screws, because the ones that we had, it's something to do with the outside work. I don't know what, but he needed new ones that aren't rusty. With the leak, some of these screws got rusted. So we're going to replace them with non-rusty screws. He needed those. And he bought a piece of baseboard to fix the wall. But it wasn't a stainable piece of baseboard. So we had to go get another piece of baseboard. So while he was paying for the baseboard, so that's in the basement. So you had to go, I took a cart because I didn't know. You never know what you're going to see in there. You never know what you're going to buy. And I always take a cart. I like to lean on it. It helps my back. And I thought if I film in here, it'll give me a smoother ride than, smoother filming than if I'm just walking. I don't know if that worked out so well. So you will see the cart in there a little bit. But I started in the basement, and I was coming out of, taking an elevator, because I had a cart. And I walk out, pardon me, and I'm facing like where they start with the bathrooms. So I'm going to go through there. The filming is Then we went to pick up the piece of wood that we bought. We only needed a 4-foot section. They'll cut it there for you, but it's a drive-through. So you pick out, you go in the basement area, they have this wall of little sections of wood, like for your moldings that show you, you know, the edging on it. If you want it rounded or if you want it curvy and cut out and designed, or flat, or if you're crown molding, different designs in the crown molding, different edgings, different woods, different finishes on, like you could buy it painted white already, like primered, I guess, or you could buy the regular wood. For what we were looking for, a baseboard, they probably had 15 different designs. So you go in there and you pick out this little 4-inch section. You take it to the cashier. You tell her how many you want, what size, or whatever. She rings it up. We wanted 4 foot. They ask you what kind of wood you want it in, and then you get in your car and you drive around to the drive-through. Literally. So you go in one door and it makes a U, and you go up to the area that has that type of wood that you're purchasing. There's like staging areas. And so someone told us we needed to drive around to 9 or 10. That's where they have the baseboards. So we drove through the horseshoe thing, stopped at 9 or 10, found our piece of wood that we wanted, got to pick out which one you want. And then you tell them which section of the wood that you want. If you don't need the whole, you don't want the whole, I don't know. There was some already cut smaller, or somebody had already chopped off part of what they wanted. And then they put the remaining sections back. These might have been 12 foot long. I don't know. They're huge, you know, tall. And so we found one that was maybe 8 or 6 foot long. And I said, I want this end. Could I have it from this end? And he said, sure. So we took it over there. The guy cut it, gave it to us. And then we drove from there. We went to Hartville Kitchen. Oh, Jen? Okay, I'll be out in a minute. So then we went to Hartville Kitchen. And we drove past the market and the flea market. There's someone out to see me outside. So I show you that. Then we go into the flea market, or into Hartville Kitchen, which has Hartville, the bakery, and there's some shops. I've taken you in the shops last year, no shops this year. We just went into the bakery. We wanted to buy something. As I was leaving there, they have a big rotating door that you go through to walk into this building, and in the center of it there's like a glass circle area, all glass enclosed, and they put flowers or displays or whatever. There was a shirt. You'll see it. It does have yarn on it, and I'm like, I love that shirt. So I did show you that, and I think that might be the end of the footage is that shirt. So, excuse me again. I won't be back at the end. I'm just going to put these clips together, and that'll end the video. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the trip into Hartville Hardware Store, because honestly, there's not many stores like it. So you, for those of you that like to go on little shopping sprees with us, you'll enjoy, I think, Hartville Hardware. I wish I had had more time to be able to really show you around more, but you'll get a really good idea of the size of this store and how cool it is to shop in there. But we were on a time schedule to get back, so I didn't have a lot of time to like really go into detail about what you're seeing, but you'll see what you see. So anyway, a lot of chatter just to introduce that we're going to go shopping in a hardware store. And enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hi everyone, I'm at Hartville Hardware in the elevator going upstairs, and I'm going to turn you around and show you the inside of the hardware, oops, very rocky, hardware store of Hartville. Let me up front. So this is Hartville Hardware. We got to the end of that aisle. This is the bath center. They have This is inside Hartville Hardware. This is the kitchen center. Don't you love that backsplash? And more bathrooms on both sides. Oh, we're designing over here. This is a hardware store. We've got some lighting fixtures. I'll show you something else really cool. They have an entire model home. Screen porch over here. Entire model home in here. Oops. Pay attention. Pay attention. Uh-oh. Got a threshold. Hi there. That's the store. Store inside, house inside the store. This is still a hardware store. Let me see if I can get out of here. It's getting to be canning season. And over here is the seasonal stuff. And decor. And then they have clothing and kids stuff over there. And now I'm on my way out. I don't know if you can see the outside. Hold on. I gotta find where Roy is. So this is the outside of the store. It's huge. Now I gotta go find Roy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. This is where you pick up your wood. It's very cool. They have a wood drive-through. We drove through. There it is. You get your wood. If you need it cut, they'll cut it for you. Right there. Come in on the other door and leave out this one.
It's right here, right?
Yep, go in here. So this is going on the outside of Hartville Market, or Hartville Hardware, where that's the where we just bought the piece of wood.
Over here? So you want to
No, that's Hartville Market over here. That's a big indoor flea market. We need to go back up that way. And then the outdoor flea market, which today is Friday, so they don't do a lot of outdoor flea marketing, particularly since it's getting chillier and it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But there are still a few vendors out here sporadically. You might see them. And then in this building over here, I don't know what that building is over here, but this building
We're
over
going this
here.
way.
No, you go straight. This is where Hartville Kitchen is. And it's a restaurant, but they also have a bakery.
That's where we're going.
And they have a bakery, they have a gift shop. I've taken you into the gift shop before, but we've not ever gone into the bakery. But this is, that's their carry out if you wanted to order like catered food. You do that over there. This is over here, still Hartville Hardware.
The restaurant's over here, yeah.
The restaurant, yeah, the restaurant is this way.
But where are we going?
This way. That's where the bakery is. So this is the outside. It's also a large building. We enter where those pillars are sticking out. We'll be back. So Hartville Kitchen is that way. And this is the bakery. It's supposed to be Amish. And then over there are the shops. Not sure what we're going to take. What are you seeing, Roy? Pumpkin pies, apple pies. Do you want to take an apple pie? Oh, these are peach. For tonight. Cherry. Here's apple. That's Dutch apple. I like apple pie. So dessert puddings are $5.90. Is that pudding pie or just pudding? What's this? Oh, these are small little pies. Then they have cream pies in here. Dressings, cheeses, stuffs, cookies.
I don't care what we take.
That looks yummy. Strudels.
Hey Diane, hold up. Yeah, I want some. These do look good.
Cookies. More cookies. Cakes. Cupcakes. Oh, look at those cookies. That is so cute. Ladybug cookies. You got a dog cookie back there. Oh, that's an interesting look. Oh, Boston cream. Isn't that Mark's favorite?
What?
Boston cream. $20. That's a lot for a cake. Yeah. Look at this shirt. Look at that. It's a t-shirt with granny square sleeves sewn right into it. That's friggin' awesome. Come on, Dora, keep going. They're sewn right over the t-shirt sleeves. Haha.